Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java programs for interviews, let us go with one more new program today. Like we want to find the biggest of given three numbers using conditional operator, that is question mark. This conditional operator, even we call it as ternary operator. In the last video related to Java programs for interviews series, we have seen how to do this biggest of given three numbers using if statement. Today we will be doing the same task using conditional operator. Now, the logic remains same. When we take three numbers like n1, n2 and n3. Out of these three numbers, when can we say n1 is big? When n1 is greater than n2 and even n1 greater than n3. Then we say n1 is big. When can we say n2 is big? Say condition when n2 greater than n1 and even when n2 greater than n3, then we'll say n2 is big. If these two are not big, then directly we can say n3 is big. Now, let us write this code. Right, we have created the project. Right click on project and say new class. We are using Eclipse IDE. Big3 conditional with main method inside. Now what is the task here? To find biggest of given three numbers using conditional operator. Even we call it as ternary operator. Question mark is the symbol. If I want to read some values from keyboard during runtime, we make use of scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. Create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Go with the message. Enter three numbers. We'll say int number 1 equal to s dot next int. Int number 2 equal to s dot next int. Int number 3 equal to s dot next int. After accepting these three numbers, now we want to know the biggest value out of these three. We want to find using conditional operator. So what is that? First we have to check the condition here. Number 1 greater than number 2 and even number 1 greater than number 3. If num1 greater than num2 and even num1 greater than num3, then we give, if this condition is true, we give this number 1 value to biggest here. Else, how to represent else here? Colon symbol. So coming to else indicates this, if this condition is false, then only it comes to else part. Indicates number 1 is not big. Then we just compare number 2 with number 3. You need not compare number 2 with number 1. Not required. Even if you compare, it's not mistake. If this condition is true, then we give into number 2 value too big. Else means even this condition is false, then we can directly say without comparing number 3 is big. So in this one, if this condition is true, number 1 value will come and store into big. If this condition is false, comes to else part and checks this condition after colon. If this condition is true, number 2 value will come and store into big. Even this condition also false, comes to this number 3, then this number 3 value will be stored into big here. Now, just print the value of biggest equal to the value of big. Save the file. Run this program. Right click and say run as Java application. It will ask for three numbers. Go with any three numbers and pull out the biggest value. So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and we'll go with one more new program in the next video. Thank you.